Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you this 68 custom Firebird Convertible. This thing was designed by Ira Guilford, came out in 1970. This one is a 2000 model. It's in Zamac or Chrome there. I have to get it open and get a better look at it. I've never opened it, had it sitting for quite a while. It is based off the custom Firebird, so one of the originals. I've always liked these castings. Let's see if we can't get it open. This thing has been sealed for quite a while. They consider this to be part of the 100% line, but I think a lot of the 100% line has real riders, and this one just has the original red lines on it. Is this something you guys collect? Is this something you guys have? What do you guys think about these? I know I follow a guy on here that he's a big 100% line guy. Ooh. That one kind of course, it's got the rubber bands everywhere on it. And this one's not the right one to open it. Let's see. Well, and it looks like it's going to strip out on me. I'm going to have to drill that one out. That sucks. Well, I'll show it to you this way. I got fingerprints all over it. I'm going to have to get these rubber bands off, hopefully a little better than I did some of my other ones there. These things stick on here. Yeah, those things are on there pretty good. Maybe heat them up a little bit and they'll come off a little better. So these ones will have the opening hood, a little more detailed on the motor. It's got that bright red interior, detailed lights, and just a standard base with the red lines. I'm going to have to get this thing off somehow. Well, but there you guys have it. The 68 custom Firebird. It's also called Light My Firebird. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.